Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll discuss about inner join in SQL, right? So we have two tables in here. The table on the left is orders table, which has some information related to the orders, right? And in the right table, we have some information related to the customers. As we can see that in this specific table, we have very limited information related only to the orders, right? What is the order ID? What is the order date? We do not know what is the name of this customer for which this order is placed. But in this table, we have this information, right? The name of the customer. And we can see that there is one unique identifier in both the tables, which is customer ID, right? This is unique in both the tables. And in this video, we'll discuss about inner join, right? So what is inner join? In inner join, we basically join two tables on the basis of a unique identifier. And in the result is what we get as a result, we get all the common values which are in both the tables on the basis of this unique identifier. That is, for example, if we'll inner join these two tables, it will look for all the customer IDs which are available in this table and in this table. Okay, so here we have 2, 37 and 77, but in this table we have 2, there is 37 and there is 77. If we'll join these, we'll have values for only these rows. We will not get the name of customer ID 37, will not get order ID for this customer ID. Okay, so and if we want to get any information related to this customer ID, we can get it from this table by inner joining. Let's say, for example, what we can do is that let's say we want to have name of this customer, right? The customer 2. What we'll do is that we can write select our name customer and will inner join with customers table orders dot customer ID is equal to orders dot this is a unique identifier which is unique in both the tables. So if we will run this table, what will be our results? We'll get this as the result, our ID and customer name. Name Karan, and for 77 the name is Tom. This will be the result of this query. Okay, you can see the query here. So to get any information from customers table, we'll inner join both the tables. But please remember that if there are more rows with the same customer ID, then rows will get duplicated in the results. For example, let's say for the customer ID, we have the name Tom and there's another address, Wall Street 42 also. So in this table, we have 277s, right? So our results will also have 277s with the same name, right? Because when this 77 is joining with 77 in this table, there are two 77s. So it will give two customer names. So in the results, we'll have this as a result. All right. So in inner join, it is not necessary that both the tables should have equal number of rows. Let's say we have 3 rows in here, and in here we have 6 rows. Right? We'll get only those rows for which this unique identifier is same. If we are not able to find 37, then we'll not have 37 in our results. All right. Thank you, guys.